Hey everybody, welcome to our next nest, and we're giving you an update here on day 25. A lot of progress has been made. So I'm going to have Kelsey walk us through the progress made. I'm going to get behind that camera and you're going to see everything that we've done. All right, take us through, Kelsey.
Awesome, come on in. So the one thing that you'll notice is we finished up the butcher block countertops. So we bought them, cut them, look at that nice round edge, and then we just use a finishing oil to get them that great dark color. And then we've also got them cut just back here. We just have 2 cabinets, it's a tiny kitchen, but we've got it framed in around that farmhouse sink, and it'll be ready to install as soon as the oil dries up next week. And then the biggest thing is all of these hardwood floors. So what you're looking at is raw red oak. You can get pre-stained, but we went with an unfinished product. We're gonna come in and sand it on Monday, and then we'll bring someone in to actually put down the stain. So if you look at it, the fantastic thing, it'll match what's inside because it's that narrow plank. It's got a ton of variation because it's true hardwoods. And it's, yeah, I'm pretty stoked to see what the finished product looks like.
Let's see the bathroom.
Oh, you want to see the bathroom? Come on. We are also pretty much done here. So we've got the floors in, we're waiting for some grout to dry. The shower is completely set, grouted and good to go. We'll put in the fixtures on Monday, and those are ordered and ready to put up. And then you'll notice we've got the light fixtures put in. We of course got the pedestal sink that we've just reused. We just put in new hardware, looks brand spanking new. And then we've got a toilet, and then we put up the wainscoting, which we're gonna paint next week. It'll be a light gray. Yeah, cool, so in the kitchen, we went with the butcher block instead of a granite, much cheaper. And we also, we bought a big giant slab of it, so like an 8x12, and then cut it ourselves. So Zach is pretty good at these corners over here. We were able to kind of bevel out, sand them down, and then of course put the oil on them so that it'll finish it out. And we've got this set in because we've drilled the holes, but we'll have to connect up the plumbing next week, and then we'll also put some shims and level out the sink, so you'll see that coming down the road.
What's above your head?
Oh, and this little beauty we got from Electric Schoolhouse Electric. I'll remember and we'll let you guys know, but it's awesome. They're out in Portland and they make all kinds of kind of more old-fashioned style lamps with a little bit of a modern twist.